Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, it was so much appreciated. Well, this is the name of the video, Tiny Trekker, and this is indeed my YouTube channel name as well. If you are new, please do consider smashing that subscribe button and giving a thumbs up. That would be awesome. Thank you so much. Well, what is this video about? Well, I am Tiny Trekker, and what I do is I create miniature pieces of art, do little art installations, and I put them all over Herefordshire, Worcestershire, Ross-on-Wye, places like that, where I live, and kind of people just come and find them, and hopefully it just brings a smile to their face. Have a look. Let me show you what I mean. The idea was initially that I would be kind of Banksy style, where I would do this artwork, put it up secretly so that nobody would know who had put this art installation out. So that, people would be going along minding their everyday business, going from A to B at work or something, and then just come across this little piece of art, and they're like, oh, that's really cool, who did that, what's that about, who put that there? And it created this kind of air of mystery about Tiny Trekker, which was awesome. But now, I thought actually that's fantastic. I mean, don't knock it, it works for Banksy. But for me, I had to get up at sort of 6:30 in the morning or so, going and putting out this artwork somewhere. And I thought, actually, if I'm putting this artwork, this little art installation somewhere in Herefordshire, and somebody wants to ask me about it, oh, that's cool, what's that about? Yeah, by all means, I want to be able to kind of talk to them about it, rather than kind of be secretive. So I had like a reveal on the BBC Hereford and Worcester. They covered the story a few months ago, and then I did this big reveal on Friday just gone. So now everybody in Herefordshire knows that I am Tiny Trekker. So guys, there will be a website very soon. There'll be a link in the description. The film that they made at Hereford and Worcester was fantastic. It's a really awesome film. So I'm going to be putting a link to that in the description also. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you like some of the artwork. There's a bit more coming up for you to have a look at. So I saw the photograph and the piece of art as well. So if you just want a photograph of it, so Romance Under the Tree is on the River Wye in Herefordshire. That's really cool. If you just want that photograph, you can order that. And some of the others, if you'd like a piece of art, those are specially made. Each one is slightly different and so very unique. There will never be an exact copy of that anywhere in the world. So if you'd like one of those, yeah, have a look on the website. Cheers guys. And if you do, check out the website, which will be up and running very, very soon. And please subscribe. I'm up to now 567 subscribers. My aim is to get to 1,000 really soon. So guys, if you're watching this, please subscribe. That would be awesome, and it'd be great to have you on board. And yeah, car shows coming up very soon also. Lots of outdoor hikes, a lot of walking outdoors and everything, because hopefully now the weather is fantastic, we can get out and about a lot more. So great to have you on board. Thank you for watching guys. Take care, see you soon.